Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The 1979 Chevrolet Caprice was a popular full-size car known for its comfort, style, and reliability. Here are the full details: body styles and design, available as a 2-door coupe, 4-door sedan, and 4-door station wagon. Boxy design typical of late 1970s American cars with sharp lines and large chrome bumpers. Rectangular headlights and a wide, horizontal grille. Optional vinyl roof and wire wheel covers for a more luxurious appearance. Interior features: spacious cabin with seating for up to 6 passengers. Available in cloth or vinyl upholstery with optional wood grain accents on the dashboard. Air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and an AM/FM radio were optional. Tilt steering wheel and cruise control were also available as options. Engine and performance: base engine, 3.8L V6, 110 horsepower, standard on sedans and coupes. Optional engines: 4.4L V8, 115 horsepower. 5.0L V8, 140 horsepower. All engines were paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive layout. Suspension and handling: coil spring suspension in the front and rear for a comfortable ride. Power steering was standard, ensuring ease of handling despite its large size. Dimensions and weight: wheelbase, 116 inches, sedan and coupe, 125 inches, station wagon. Overall length: 212 inches, sedan, 222 inches, station wagon. Curb weight: approximately 3,700 to 4,200 pounds, depending on the model and options. Fuel economy: estimated fuel economy ranged from 15 to 20 miles per gallon, depending on the engine and driving conditions. Special editions and options: the Caprice Classic was the top trim level, featuring more luxurious options like premium upholstery and additional chrome accents. Some models offered a towing package for enhanced utility. Popularity and legacy: the 1979 Caprice was known for its durability and became a popular choice for families, police departments, and taxi fleets. It remains a favorite among classic car enthusiasts for its vintage American styling and smooth ride. Would you like more details on maintenance, restoration tips, or current market value? Thank you for watching my video. AMD. Subscribe to our channel.